Hi everyone, this is me. This morning, I had the luxury of time to dye my hair on my own. And I got this L'Oreal Paris New Excellence Fashion. And I chose the color Beige Light Brown. Tama na nga yan. Dami mong etchos eh. So okay, ito nga yung binili ko last weekend. Itong L'Oreal Paris New Excellence Fashion. It was on sale at Watson's. And it was like around, around 299 or 289. Parang ganun. So, I chose this beige light brown. I think it's closest to the color of my old one. I just decided kasi na mag-switch ako into L'Oreal because marami na kasi yung nasa loob nitong box na to. It has a pre-color serum. It's for protection, and the coloring itself, the colorant developer, and of course the conditioner. I was actually a Beauty Labo user before, and this Beauty Labo, you will find this in SM department stores, in the beauty section, or in Watson's. And I realized that it doesn't have any serum or conditioner that you can apply after the color or before the color. So for me, I've noticed that a real hair color has to, of course, if you do it at home, it has to be complete, right? Actually talaga, user din naman ako ng L'Oreal Paris. But of course, alam mo yun, kailangan magtipid ka eh. You know, the hair coloring nowadays costs like, thousands if you're going to a parlor. But if you're gonna go DIY, you can buy as low as 100 plus or 50 pesos, something like that. Pero for me kasi, I would rather go for those brand na tried and tested na. Then I already used the L'Oreal line, yung nakaka-color siya or nakaka-lighten siya ng 2 or 3 times. So for me, this is actually good, and well, it kind of nagkaroon ng konting allergic reaction kanina when I was applying it. Pero parang bigla naman nawala. But with regard to my using of Beauty Labo, wala akong na-feel na any itchiness. Parang very slight lang, parang dumaan lang. Pero ito kasi, it's kind of like medyo maanghang siya ng konti. Pero I guess I have to, start doing some really serious test with my skin. Kasi my skin is really sensitive, that's why. I chose this beige light brown because I really wanted it to be really brown and kind of neutral. I don't want it to have a red tint to it or yung may pagka-blonde or bronze. So I chose this. And for me, ang interpretation ko is the higher the number, the lighter the color. So, ayun. So, this is the color, guys. Yan. And, yan. O, diba? Parang match naman siya. Match ba, guys? Match? Or mismatch? Actually, madali lang naman talaga mag-DIY ng hair color. Kasi, yung ganitong isang box na to, it can fit to one whole head. Shorter or maybe this long, and then probably here. If your hair is thin and fine, it's okay. But if your hair is thick, tapos medyo makapal talaga siya and up to here pa, you have to buy 2 boxes. I think that's the acceptable one.